Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Rabiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is true or false and matching from lesson 2, page number 10. Our today's topic, true or false and matching. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 4 and SW number 3. Lecture number 4 and SW number 3. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn true or false and matching. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, look at the board. Here I have written 4 sentences. We have to give the answer. Is it true or false? Is it true or false statement? So my dear students, let's start. Our first sentence is, nothing in the sky is hidden from Allah. Nothing in the sky is hidden from Allah. Yes, this is the true statement. So my dear students, it will now our answer will be true. Now I am writing answer true, and you will write the answer true. T-R-U-U-E, true. This is the true statement. In this regard, the answer will be true. Now number 2, everything on the earth is hidden from Allah. Everything on the earth is hidden from Allah. Is it true or false? Yes, this is the false statement, because everything on the earth is not hidden from Allah, because Allah sees everything. In this regard, it will be the false statement. So my dear students, our answer will be false. Now I am writing the answer false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now number 3, Allah is very far from us. Is it true or false? Yes, this is the false statement, because Allah is not very far from us. Allah is very near of us. In this regard, it will be the false statement. Now I am writing the answer false. Our answer will be false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now number 4, Allah helps us in all our difficulties. Allah helps us in all our difficulties. What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, this is the true statement. In this regard, it will be true. Now I am writing the answer true. T-R-U-E, true. My dear students, in your textbook, it has been read as yes or no, but you have to give the answer as true or false. You have to give the answer as true or false, like this pattern. Okay, my dear students, now we will learn matching. Now look at the board again. Matching. Now we will learn matching. My dear students, you see here there are 2 types of sentence: right side and left side. Right side and left side. We have to match all of these right side sentences with left side sentences. So my dear students, now okay, let's start. We will match the sentences. Now our first sentence is, Allah is all. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, now look at the answer. I have written here the answer. Allah is all seeing. Allah is all seeing. So my dear students, B will be matched with number 1. B will be matched with number 1. So our answer will be B. Now I have written here the answer, Allah is all seeing. And my dear students, you have to give the answer like this pattern. Allah is all seeing. Okay, now number 2, to Him alone. What will be the answer? Yes, to Him alone. Look at the answer. To Him alone I turned for help. I turned for help. What will be the answer? Yes, to him alone I turned for help. So my dear students, A will be matched with number 2. A will be matched with number 2. So our answer will be to him alone I turned for help. And my dear students, look at the answer. You have to write the answer like this pattern. To him alone I turned for help. Okay, my dear students, now number 3. It is he who, what will be the answer, my dear students? Our answer will be, look at the answer. It is he who has given me eyes. It is he who has given me eyes. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, our answer will be here D. Has given me eyes. Sorry, my dear students, here is correction. I have to write here S, but I have written here M. Who has given me eyes. So my dear students, number D will be matched with number 3. Number D will be matched with number 3. In this regard, our answer will be, it is he who has given me eyes. Now look at the answer. It is he who has given me eyes. Okay, my dear students, now number 4, and this is our last number matching. He is the Lord. What will be the answer? He is the Lord. Our answer will be, look at the answer. He is the Lord of the day of judgment. Of the day of judgment. So our answer will be here C, of the day of judgment. So my dear students, number C will be matched with number 4. C will be matched with number 4. So our answer will be, he is the Lord of the day of judgment. Now look at the answer. He is the Lord of the day of judgment. And my dear students, you have to write the answer like this pattern. Like this pattern. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we have learned true or false and matching. I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. Now, my dear students, you have to make SW at your home. Now look at the board. Today you know that our lecture number 4 and SW number 3. Lecture number 4 and SW number 3. My dear students, you will make SW as SW number 3, true or false, and you have to write with full sentence. You will make SW at your home only true or false. True or false, and you have to write full sentence. You will make SW at your home like this pattern. At first you will write the sentence, then you will write, is it true or false? You will write the sentence, then you will write, is it true or false? Like this pattern. Only true or false. No need to write this matching. You will make SW as SW number 3, only true or false. Only true or false. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.